Understanding 2 straight wins in English. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the meaning of the phrase, 2 straight wins. This phrase is often used in sports and competitions, but it can also apply to other contexts. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand it better. The phrase, 2 straight wins, is made up of 3 key components: 2, straight, and wins. 2. This is simply a number, indicating how many times something has happened. Straight. In this context, straight means consecutively or in a row, without any interruptions or losses in between. Wins. This refers to victories or successes in any competition or challenge. So, when combined, 2 straight wins means achieving victory or success twice in a row, without any defeats or failures in between. While 2 straight wins is commonly used in sports, it can also apply to other situations. In sports like basketball, football, or tennis, it means winning 2 games or matches consecutively. For instance, if a football team wins 2 matches back-to-back, they have 2 straight wins. In other competitions, in contexts like gaming, debates, or even sales competitions, it implies winning 2 rounds or events successively. In everyday life, outside of competitive contexts, it can be used metaphorically. For example, if someone has had 2 consecutive days of great success at work, they could humorously say they've had 2 straight wins. 1. In sports, the Lakers secured 2 straight wins, boosting their standings in the league. 2. In gaming, after 2 straight wins in the tournament, she is now the leading player. 3. In daily life, I managed to complete all my tasks ahead of time for 2 straight days at work. It feels like 2 straight wins. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, 2 straight wins, and how you can use it in various contexts. Remember, it's all about consecutive successes, whether in sports, competitions, or everyday achievements. Keep practicing your English, and soon, you'll be scoring your own straight wins in language learning. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.